When we harvest our potatoes, it's always a joyful experience. There's something magical about digging into the soil and finding those beautiful potatoes hidden beneath. It's like uncovering buried treasure. But after all the excitement of harvesting, what happens to the potato plants? Most of us just toss them away. If you're already putting these plants into your compost pile, that's a good step, but there's so much more you can do. In this video, we're going to show you two fantastic ways to use those potato plants that not only enrich the soil in your garden beds, but also help create a powerful, albeit stinky, liquid fertilizer in just a few days. Let's dive right in. First, after harvesting your potatoes, collect all the leftover plants. Carefully go through them and remove any parts that are pest infected or show signs of disease. You don't want to introduce any issues back into your soil or compost. Once you've sorted the healthy parts, chop them into small pieces. The smaller the pieces, the faster they'll break down and release their nutrients. Spread these chopped up potato plants evenly over the surface of your garden bed. This is an excellent way to recycle the nutrients that the plants took from the soil during their growth. Now, to make this method even more effective, we're going to add some neem cake powder on top. Neem cake powder is a natural byproduct of neem seeds, and it's packed with nutrients. It also has pest-repelling properties and helps protect your soil from harmful nematodes and other pests. Sprinkle the powder evenly over the chopped plants. This step not only nourishes the soil, but also ensures that any pests lingering around are kept at bay. Next, we'll cover the chopped plants and neem cake powder with a layer of compost or fully decomposed manure. It's essential to make sure that the compost or manure you're using is completely broken down, because this layer will provide the microbes needed to decompose the potato plants quickly. These microbes work as little helpers, breaking down the organic matter and releasing valuable nutrients into the soil. Once this layer is added, you just need to water the bed lightly to kickstart the decomposition process. In a regular compost pile, potato plants might take 2 to 3 months, or even longer, to fully break down. However, in this method, the decomposition happens much faster. In just 3 to 4 weeks, the chopped plants will be almost fully decomposed, enriching your soil with organic matter and nutrients. This method is a win-win because it's quick, efficient, and great for your garden beds. The second method is even faster and incredibly effective if you're looking to make a liquid fertilizer. Start by taking a large container and filling it with rainwater. If you don't have rainwater, you can use tap water, but let it sit for a day or two to allow any chlorine to evaporate. Once your container is ready, add the chopped potato plants into the water. To boost the nutrient content, add a few handfuls of decomposed manure or compost. The combination of water, potato plants, and compost creates a nutrient-rich brew. After adding all the ingredients, stir the mixture well to ensure everything is combined. Then, cover the container loosely. You don't want to seal it tightly because the decomposition process will produce gases, and a loose cover allows the gases to escape. Let this mixture sit for at least 7 days. During this time, the plant material and compost break down further, releasing nutrients and beneficial microbes into the water. After a minimum of 7 days, your liquid fertilizer will be ready. However, don't use it directly on your plants because it's very concentrated. Always dilute it first. Use a ratio of 1 part liquid fertilizer to 10 parts water. This diluted solution is packed with nutrients, not only from the compost, but also from the potato plants themselves. It's full of beneficial microbes that will boost plant health and improve soil fertility. This liquid fertilizer might smell unpleasant, but don't let that discourage you. It's a sign of how potent it is. When applied to your plants, it will work wonders, providing them with the nutrients they need to thrive. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or herbs, this fertilizer will give them a noticeable boost. These two methods are simple yet effective ways to recycle your potato plants and give back to your garden. The first method enriches your soil directly, while the second provides a liquid fertilizer that's easy to use and incredibly beneficial. Instead of tossing away those potato plants, try these methods and see the difference they can make in your garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We have plenty more videos on gardening tips, fertilizers, and sprays, so be sure to check them out.